Alright, hello everyone. Gavin here. So, I'm making this video because I just got an 8.63 square one average of 5 off tape. I just got it. This was insane. There was literally no parodies. Pretty easy cube shapes on all of them. I think one of them might have been like a little bit of a weird one, but yeah, let's just get started. So the scrambles will all be in the description. At least I'll try and do them because, square one scrambles are really annoying. But yeah, the scrambles will all be in the description. So, alright, so this first case is Scallop, which obviously is, pretty nice little case, and I did it from the back, so. Oops. And so then CO was 3 and then 1, and so I just moved this one, brought this up, and then moved this back. And so then I have L line, and I noticed that there's a U perm on the bottom and a Z perm on the top. So I knew it was going to be some sort of, like, either like U perm, or like an edge thing I didn't really know, or possibly like a ZU. So I just did that. And then, yeah, I got, what's it called? W. And if I did it from this way, it would have given me this. But because I moved it over to that way and then did it, it just gave me better execution. So I just did edge in the front like this. And yeah, it was solved. Okay, so that time was a 796, which was my best solve of the average. Now let's get into my second solve. Alright, so this next solve, I have this big star shell thing on the bottom and then this weird looking thing on top. So, obviously I moved it over and then created, I call this U star, but it's basically just scallop, and then on the bottom, and I didn't do anything on the bottom, but, I did this, and that gave me pretty nice CO. It just goes like this. And then I had line L again, so I set it up, so this is in the back, and this is here. And then, let me set it up again. And then when I did it, I noticed that the headlights were both on this side here. So, yeah, I from here, and then I just went straight into CP. And then here, I noticed that it was U and U. And then I just moved this here, and then edge from the back. And then that solve, that solve was a 924. Okay, yeah, so now the third solve, I'm actually going to say the time beforehand, because I even to do that, but this solve was an 1182. So again, we have U star, or just scallop, like pre-scallop. I don't really know what I call it. I just call it U star. But we have U star, and so, oh wait, sorry, I actually did it from the back, like this, which gave me CO. Sorry, but I had to do 6.6 because I do black on top. And then I have headlights here and headlights here. So then I know that they're both going to be, these ones are, where are they? They're going to be here, and then these ones are going to be here. So I just went straight into CP. And then I had, oh, okay, this solve actually did have parity, I guess. Yeah, so, did that, and then parity. I guess when I looked over it again, I did it wrong, but yeah, it had parity, so, that's how I do parity on the bottom. I don't know if there's any other efficient way, but basically just one slice it, and then parity. And then just kind of slice it back, I guess. So that solve was 1182. That was the only solve with parity. Whatever. I mean, I get parity all the time. I don't even know full cube shape, and I don't use CSP, so obviously I wouldn't be surprised if I got parity. Now let's go to the fourth solve, which was, this was an 831. Yeah, so this case is basically just a one slice into, what's it called? Shield. So, it's like that. And then shield, like this. And then I have diagonal and diagonal, so like that. Which, then gives me a 1, 1, or sorry, line here. And then I didn't see the headlights here in the back, but I did see these on the side, so I knew it's going to be here. I looked around. Okay, it's in the back, so I did it in the back. And then I had ZU, and it was good ZU. Or at least that's what I call it, because that's the only one I actually know. And then ABF for that one. So yeah, that was an 831. That was a pretty good solve. I can definitely say that. Now for the last solve. Sorry, I'm looking at my cracked phone screen right now, because that's what I was timing myself on. So if I'm like having a little trouble with the things, you'll know why. But yeah, this last solve was kind of like stupid with cube shape. This is, I believe, shield muffin, so I did it like this. I think that's basically the case that you'd probably use with it. I don't really know. That's just how I did it. And then CO. And then EO. I mean, honestly, this solve was actually pretty simple. And then I had headlights here and then here, so I obviously knew where they're gonna be, so I went straight into CP. And then I actually went straight into edge as well. Which, that could have been my best solve, but I had a huge pause because I thought I had a U-perm, and I didn't. So I went straight into edge. It was an 834, I believe. So, yeah, that led to an 863 average. Honestly, it could have been better, which is surprising to say because the fact that it beats my, like, overall record by, like, 1.3 seconds. Like, no, 1.36 seconds exact. No, 1.33 seconds exactly. So, second and a third second drop of an average, which is, like, really difficult to do. So the fact that I did this, especially on square one as well, I don't know if it's that St. Patrick's luck, or just the fact that, like, I'm getting much better at square one, but I mean, I average, like, 11 to 12 to 13, around that area, so, like, I just say, like, 12 to 13 most of the time, but I mean, like, at the beginning of the year, I was averaging, like, 16 to 17, so I've definitely dropped my square one times, and I'm really hoping that I can get world class by the end of the year. That's honestly my goal. Probably not, like, super world class, but, like, sub 9 is my goal for the end of the year, especially with how much I've been improving, and I've been learning better CP cases and more cube shapes as well. So, you know, yeah, this was an insane average. I was not expecting this at all. I'm making this video at like 10 p.m. at night, and so yeah, I don't really know what to say other than like thanks for watching. I'm sorry it's a long video, but yeah, that was basically my average. So, I mean, I don't really know what to say. The MGC is good. It's cheap. Square one's the best event. Solve square one all the time. You should do it. It's good. And yeah, bye. This average was performed by me. I don't know why I'm putting this in the video, but I just did, and now I don't really want to delete it. So, yeah, bye.